What's up? What's up? It's your boy Corey B. So check it out. So what I want to talk about today is just this idea of just taking stock of where things are. Just being blessed in the moment. Like, there's always going to be obstacles. There's always going to be things that are, coming at you, walls that are put up in front of you because either life just happens or because somebody's going to try to hinder your progress because they don't want to see your success, or it's just there's always going to be different things that get in your way. There's going to be things that try to slow you down, try to hinder you. But at the end of the day, opportunities are endless. Now, okay, that seems a little fuzzy, right? Because how can opportunities really be endless? They really truly are. Like, there's these key moments, opportunistic, like golden moments that it's like, okay, if you capitalized on this, things would have been huge. If you had done this, it would have been huge. If you'd have done that, if you'd have seen what was happening, if you went out on that business venture right when you saw it happen, like you had the idea, you were in college, you had this great idea, and you were like, man, I should do this, and if I just did it right now, it would be huge. But you know what the thing is even if that opportunity was missed, there's another one. There's another one around the corner. There's always more. There's always more that's coming at you. There's more that you can do, and there's more opportunities to be had. As an avid stock investor, I know that there's been many times where I looked at a stock and I was like, I saw things happening, and I was like, I don't think it's the right time. And then you know what? I missed that sweet spot. I missed that golden moment. And then maybe it was because I didn't have enough liquid on me. I didn't have the capital at that particular golden moment, or maybe it was because maybe I didn't notice something, and I noticed it a moment too soon, or maybe I was busy looking over here and I didn't see what was happening over there. It's gonna happen. Don't fight that. Don't beat yourself up. Don't lose your lunch over something like that. It's not critical. It's not crucial, because there's always new stocks. There's always new opportunities. There's always new investments. There's always new business ideas. Yes, you could have had a golden opportunity. Yes, you could have had that golden goose laying that golden egg right there, right in front of you, and you could have just grabbed it, but you missed it. But there's another one coming. Look, take value in the fact that you have an ambitious heart. You have a driven mentality. You have a creative mind, that you even came up with that idea in the first place, because you came up with that golden ticket. You came up with that golden moment. You came up with that idea, that moment. You saw it. Even if you missed it, you saw it in the first place. That means you can see it again. You can see it again. There's just... Man, it gets me so excited because, okay, look, right now, it's Super Bowl Sunday, baby. I'm a diehard Packers fan. My Packers missed out again. There's been many years my Packers have missed out. It's a bummer every time they miss out, because I love football and I love my Packers. But at the end of the day, you know what? I always tell my friends and my family and everybody knows me, because I love the Packers. I love football. I love football. And I'm excited to watch the game with Kimberly and the boys today. And it's going to be so exciting. It's going to be great. It's going to be great. But at the end of the day, it's going to be the Chiefs and the Eagles. And it's like, But when they lose, when my team loses, I never get mad. I never get upset. I never, punch anything, throw anything, scream, yell. Of course. I am a pretty excitable person. So when my team is winning, I'm screaming, I'm hollering, I'm like, yeah, and I'm all in it, right? But when they're losing, I get quiet, I marinate, I cheer them on, I'm like, come on, get back in the game, because I know there's always a new opportunity. I always know that, hey, but there's, it's third quarter, we're down by 21. Third quarter. There's a whole nother quarter. There's plenty of time to come back. The game's not over. I remember the first, me and my brother. My brother's a diehard Titans fan. We're at the game. We're on we're on the 40-yard line, eighth row, I think. Eighth row. I think we're in the eighth row. We were the only people in front of us were the season ticket holders. We were right there. I could see the bench. I could see Clay Matthews and Aaron Rodgers right down there. And you know what? We were getting crushed. My brother's a diehard Titans fan. We were in Nashville. I'm a diehard Packers fan. I was watching the Packers get creamed. And you know what? You know what I did? My brother, he got real quiet. He got real chill. He got real respectful. He was like, it's all right, Corey. You know, it's your first game. I get it. It's your boys. You're getting crushed. I'm gonna let you have this moment. I'm just gonna be quiet. I'm not gonna, throw shade or nothing. I'm just gonna be chilling right here. I'm gonna let you have your moment. I'm gonna live over here, knowing that my boys are rocking that scoreboard. But me, I was up and I was jumping and I was screaming and I was like, it's not over. Why is it not over? Because there was still time. And we looked at the clock and I was like, there's 4 minutes left. We're down by 30 points in 4 minutes. And I was like, it's not over. 4 minutes. 4 minutes is a lifetime in football. It's really not. In that moment, I couldn't let go of that hope. I couldn't let go of that dream that we gotta get it. And that's the thing. That's also one of the things I love about football. Is like in just a moment, things can change. In just a moment, you can go from being ahead by 20 points to being out. Like you're down. In just a moment. It's exciting. I love it. It's like such a rush. It's so great. But at the end of the game, when it's all over, the clock's done, people are leaving the stands, and the teams walk down the tunnel, and they're like, got the heads hung low, and they're like, it's over. There's always next week. There's always next season. There's always, at the end of the day, I'm still Corey B. The Packers may have lost. I'm still Corey B. I'm still Corey B. I'm still blessed. I'm still winning. And I'm still loving life. I'm still enjoying the journey of watching the Packers, whether they come out on top or not. And so I want you to take stock of that. I want you to remember that you woke up today still breathing, still air in your lungs. You had a fire in your heart. You had passion. It's not over. Whatever opportunity may have slipped away, there's another one coming. There's another one around the corner. There's something else that you can grab onto. And if you're one of those people who have a creative mentality, that gene that's inside you that allows you to create things that other people haven't created, that allows you to see things that are broken in a system that needs to be fixed, that allows you to see shortcomings in products and flaws in design and things like that, then you have a mentality for creativeness, and you have the mentality to build and create things, and you have an entrepreneurial spirit, and you have more opportunities right in front of you. You do. They're endless. People so oftenly, I've known so many great business-minded people. They had this great idea and they built something, and then it was taken, or it was stolen, or somebody else patented it before they did, or somebody else got a copy written before they did. And it's like, don't let it break you, because if you were able to that, then you could create something else. Don't allow it to slip away from you. I have a good buddy who was just talking to me. We were talking about the idea of being able to save money versus being able to make money. And I think if you've got the mentality to save and budget and finance, it's so much easier than making money. Making money is, God, I could always make money. Now, maybe there was times in my life when I wasn't making enough, because ultimately I was living beyond my means. I was making bad choices, and I was like not managing, not saving, not finessing my finances. I just had money coming in and money going out, and I had nothing to show for it. You can always make more money. You can always come up with more ideas. Don't let a broken idea, a missed opportunity, any shortcoming, any setback, anything that comes in front of you break your spirit. Count your blessings and stay pumped, stay motivated, stay excited. know that there's more around the corner and go after it with everything you've got. Like, I mean, really dig deep, go after all of it. Because there's so much, oh man, there's just so much. I'm so thankful and so blessed for the opportunity I've been given in my life. And for my mom, like my mom, I mean, there's just, she built this mentality in me. She designed me from the time I could, I learned to talk. From when I was just a little bitty guy, I just learned to talk. The word can't was the first word I learned was a bad word. Don't ever say can't. It was a bad word. It was a dirty word. I would get punished for saying the word can't, because she told me from the time I could talk that there was nothing that was out of my limits. There was nothing that was out of my reach. I mean, like nothing. And because I knew that, then as I got older and she told me stories of the different business ventures that she had been on, and the ones that were good, the ones that fell short, the here and there. And then I also saw her work. I saw her work in restaurants. I saw her work in retail. I saw her work in fast food. I saw her bust it like hard. I mean, my mom killed it. Like everywhere she went, she killed it. And because of that, and because of watching her fight, and knowing the things that she said that she had been partners with, and she had worked in businesses and been owners of businesses, and the things that she had watched other people build. And then I saw my uncle build a business, and I saw he saw this cap on his business. He was like, look, I'm fighting. He's like, look how my business has grown, and it's here, and I can support my family, so I'm good. What is the least amount of work I can do to stay right at that spot? And I ain't mad at him. I mean, that was his goal. So if that's your goal, that's your goal. That's all that matters, is that you hit your goal. It's not this people have this idea that, oh, you're building this business and you're building this you're an entrepreneur, or you're an investor, so it's like there's no end. You got to keep fighting until you get more and more and more. And it's like, no, that's greedy. You don't have to be greedy. I'm telling you, fight for what's yours, fight for what you want, fight for what you and your family need. And if the bar is here and this is where you hit, know that yes, there is more for you. But if you're happy and you're content and your family is blessed and happy and joyful right here, then stop there and let's see what else there's for you. What more living can you do? Like, there's more than just work, and there's more than just money, and there's just, oh my God, the sky is the limit to all you can achieve and all you can reach out for. So I say, when it comes down to it, when it comes down to your money, when it comes down to your investing, when it comes down to the grit of your feet to pavement, and you're clawing with your fingernails at your business, your design, your investment, the growth. Like I've said it before, I hashtag every single one of my posts. I'm building an empire. Bayless Enterprises, being Bayless, that is us. That is what we're doing, and it is gonna be huge. And so I give everything I've got to that on a daily basis. I never stop. I've got like all gas, baby, no brakes. I give everything I got, and then you know what? I ride till the wheels fall off, and then when the wheels fall off, that's when we lace our J's and start running, baby. We ain't done yet. It ain't over. It ain't ever over. And I want you to take that away from this. I truly do. I want you to take away that if you're happy and you're content with the spot that you've set for yourself, you want to be a partner in your law firm, you want to be this potential residency, or whatever, and you want to have this level of in your real estate business, or you want to be at this point as a this accolade as a doctor. You want to be able to get past the point of doing residency and get to the point where you're like actually giving seminars and teaching about being a doctor. It doesn't matter wherever your goal is. Enjoy the ride of getting there, and don't sweat the setbacks. Don't sweat the setbacks. And I can never say it enough, never sweat the haters, because they're gonna be on you all the time. Haters gonna be on you because they don't see your vision, they don't see your dream, or they see it and they know they fooled themselves into believing they could never achieve the great things that you're going after. So because they don't believe that they could ever have it, they don't think it's fair that you have it. So don't let them get in your way. Don't let them stifle your dream. Don't let them stifle your passion, your drive, that spirit. I say go after all of it. Go after all of it and then some, and get all of it. Get every last bit of it. Fight and enjoy the fight. Embrace the moments. The fight is a blessing. The journey is a blessing. Waking up with air in your lungs is a blessing. Man, y'all have a most excellent day. Y'all enjoy the Super Bowl. Live it up. You know what I'm saying? Be blessed. Be blessed and be thankful and grateful for your blessings. Go Pack, go. Let's get cocky, baby. Y'all have a most excellent day, most excellent week. Let's get it done. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, ding your bell, get your notifications. Don't miss out, because I got so much more coming at you.